biggest thing about it is, I can't say enough about this group. We just finished up beating 3 undefeated teams to win the state championship, and I think when we were 7-3, I don't know how many people were sleeping on us, but I know inside that locker room we believed in what we could do, and I thought in the second half of the IMG games when we kind of broke out a little bit, found out a little bit more about who we were, gained maybe a little bit more chemistry about what we were doing, and the run we made in the playoffs, I feel like it's unprecedented. So, I don't know of any other time that anybody's been 3 undefeated to win a state championship, but to God be the glory. It's all about the players. I'm just so fortunate to get to coach them. So, we played really, really well. Got a little ugly at the end, but we played really, really well to open in the game, and that's what you got to do when you play big time games. Well, there's no doubt that our schedule this year off of Grayson on the road. Then you got IMG at the end of the year. Of course, Thompson had an unbelievable team this year. We played Meridian, so we played 3 out-of-state teams, and then we played Sparkman, who I thought was a hot team at the time in the playoffs. In an environment over at Hewitt Trustful, who's undefeated. Then you got to go to Thompson. You go on the road, and they're undefeated. And then you got to come to a neutral site to win the state championship. So, that'd be for you to judge. Every year's a different year for me. It's a different year for these kids. I haven't been at Hoover for 10 years. I've been at Hoover for 1 year 10 times. So every group's a little bit different, and we make sure of that. Yeah. Well, I think you got to play really, really good red zone defense in big-time games. There's going to be some times they're pretty explosive offensively. They do a really good job of getting the ball out on the perimeter, and then they try to read numbers, and then they RPO you, and then they'll throw some perimeter screens. So, by doing that, now and then, but then, once we got down inside the 20, we really helped ourselves on first down because we got negative plays. So we backed them up in the second 15 and kept them behind the sticks in the red zone. And then when you're able to do that, I know from an offensive perspective how hard that is to be backed up behind the sticks in the red zone because you're already cut down with yardage anyway. I knew coming in the game, they kind of take your quick game away, just because they're 50 front, the way they play the 3-4, they try to drop 8. But then when they bring somebody, you just got to do a really good job of knowing where the rotation's coming from with their safety. So, whether they're playing 1 high, 2 high, whether they're checking hole or playing stretch behind it. So Jalen had to do a really good job of trying to see their backside rotation. And then, I can't say enough about this guy. This guy's been the most unselfish player I've probably ever coached, and these guys would agree. There's games where he had 1 catch, there's games where he didn't have a catch, and he's blocking his tail off. Tonight was special. I told him that when I hugged him, that it was special for me to see him get to go out like he did, because he's going to be an unbelievable player on Saturdays and probably Sundays. And I'm fortunate to get to coach him, and I'm just glad he got an opportunity to make some big plays. And, he double moved a couple of times, and then, of course, he's got excellent speed. He was able to kind of double move just a little bit on his speed, and we were able to get the deep ball over the top early. And then, George is a really good player, so in the 2-minute we were able to get rotation and get the dig back on the backside, and of course he made something happen with it. But we knew coming in that if we could get some chunk plays in the throwing game, it'd be huge.
when do you start, PA?
Mentality, I just basically kept our composure and listened to the game plan that Coach gave us out. During practice, we just copied it well.
One more question, let's let them go celebrate with their team.
Just what about Jalen's performance tonight and finding you guys in your room and talk about what he was doing?
Oh, yes, sir. He could, I feel like he has the ability to do that anytime. Him coming as a first year starter, a lot of people doubted him. We stuck behind him, and I believe he can do anything. So he's a great player. My brother, love him.
Closing comment?
Yeah, I just, I don't think, you'd really have to get in our program to understand what we're about. And Shed just said it a while ago. I mean, we're in a society today where, it's me, me, me. And it's so special because our players, it ain't about me, me, me. It's a culture. And we try to build that culture every day. And, and every year, like I said, everybody's like, well, how do you keep doing it over and over? Because you got guys like this, and threads come out and threads go in. We try to have the same expectations every year, but the message may be a little bit different. We talked about holding the door last year. Well, it wasn't about holding the door this year. It was about being the best. And best for us was bring extra sacrifice today. And we talked about finish tonight, but we didn't want to just finish. There's a lot of people that's finish in life. There's a lot of people that finish races and they don't win it. We want to finish first, and then I got sweatshirts made for the kids to wear. It just says undeniable. You got to be undeniable in what you do every day in life. And look, this ain't about football for us as much in our culture and our hallways as it is about us understanding what it truly means to be a real man, because this world is in a man crisis right now. Right? And so that's what we're trying to grow. That's what we're trying to build. And if football can be a great tool and a vehicle for that, then that's what we'll continue to do. But it's all about culture for us. It's not about credentials. And we've been fortunate and blessed, and these kids trust in what we're doing. We don't believe in buying in, because if you buy in and it gets tough, you'll sell out. So we're all about trusting. And these kids have been, it's unbelievable. I'll be emotional in a little while because I'm trying to keep it in, but I cannot tell you how proud I am of this group and what they have accomplished this year. This will be something really, really special to go down in the history books at Hoover High School. I can promise you that.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Yep.
Guys, if y'all want to talk to them quickly outside, please let them get to their team.